Right here, I've got my version of a jalapeno popper burger. Let's get this on.
We went big right out of the gate with 4 pounds of beef folded into diced yellow onions, mayonnaise, and a heavy shake of the Blackstone Products Smashburger seasoning. This wasn't just mixing, this was building flavor into every single bite from the ground up. Now for the star of the show, in a bowl we whipped together some cream cheese, diced jalapeno with the juice, and garlic. Then we brought in the heavy hitter, the Tillamook cheddar. We mixed it, smashed it, and transformed it into rich, spicy, cheesy patties that were destined for greatness. Toss those into the freezer for about 20 minutes to let them set. Meanwhile, over on the 28-inch XL vertical pellet smoker, we set that up to 350 degrees so those burgers can soak up that wood-fired magic. Until they hit that 125-degree internal temperature, just enough smoke to whisper, you're about to be legendary. But we weren't done yet, not even close. After pulling off the toasted English muffins and starting to prep them for the burgers, went ahead and threw down the jalapeno patties and let those start to get crispy on each side. Pulled the burgers from the smoker directly into the beef tallow on the griddle, and flipped over that jalapeno cheese to let it start to get melty on both sides. Topped the burger patty with the cheese, topped the cheese with the onions, topped the onions with the bacon, and the bacon with the raspberry jam, and these things were banging. And that's my version of a jalapeno popper burger.